In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete or close your Substack publication. If you've decided that it's time to say goodbye to your Substack account, follow along, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your Substack homepage. This is where you start the journey of closing your publication. Once you're there, look towards the top navigation bar and locate the dashboard drop-down menu. This menu is your access point for all your different Substack accounts. Go ahead and click on it to begin. Now, it's crucial to select the specific Substack publication you intend to close. This ensures you're working on the correct account. Double-check to make sure you've selected the right one, and then proceed. You'll find yourself on your chosen Substack's main page, familiar territory where you can see all the features and content you've created over time. Next, it's time to find the settings. Typically, you'll see the settings option near the top of the page, close to the recommendation section. Click on Settings, and you'll enter the control center for managing all your publication details and preferences. Now, scroll all the way down the settings page until you encounter a section that's prominently marked as the danger zone. This part of the page is highlighted for critical tasks, such as the one you're undertaking. Proceed with care here. You're going to click on the option labeled Delete Publication. It's vital to understand the gravity of this action. Once you complete it, it's permanent and cannot be undone. After you click, a dialog box will appear, requiring further confirmation. Substack implements this step to prevent accidental deletions. You will be prompted to type in your publication's subdomain. This acts as a security measure to verify that it's indeed you making this request and not an accidental click. So carefully and correctly enter your publication's subdomain. Remember, this confirmation step is crucial, as it serves as the final acknowledgement that you wish to proceed with the closure. Once everything is set and you've accurately entered your subdomain, click OK to finalize the process. And there you have it, all the necessary steps to permanently delete or close your Substack publication. Do ensure that this is your final decision, as all your subscribers, posts, and any data linked to your publication will be permanently lost. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your future endeavors.